This episode shines a spotlight on a fresh high-yield model, micro SaaS that automates onboarding templates for small teams. It explains how it works. A lightweight app that generates customized HR and workflow templates, scales with subscriptions, and reduces manual setup. Real-world examples include a startup that cut onboarding time by 70% using dynamic checklists and instant policy builders. Actionable steps: identify a recurring admin pain, build a lean template engine, price accessibly, and deploy a 14-day free trial. With disciplined marketing and customer feedback loops, viewers can seed a profitable niche that grows through automation rather than ever-increasing effort.